Hello everyone, this is Misak from No Reserve Classics and welcome to this walk around of our 1965 Supercharged LT4 Malibu SS. As mentioned before, here is the Supercharged LT4 motor presented in this gorgeous looking satin black engine bay with a flush firewall. You can see that we also have a Wilwood master cylinder. And you might have noticed that we have a chassis number for a Roadster Shop chassis. That's because underneath, as mentioned again, is a Roadster Shop chassis. So this car's performance really feels absolutely perfect underneath as you're driving this big car. And just as underneath the chassis and in the engine bay looks, the exterior just looks as phenomenal in this beautiful satin white. This car is complemented with some black Forgeline wheels, sporting some yellow calipers, which features the name BAER. That's right, folks, we have 6-piston BAER brakes all around in this gorgeous car. And it gets even better inside, because as soon as you step inside, you see the SPARC steering wheel, the custom leather door panels, custom Recaro seats with the Malibu SS logo stitched in the headrest, and even for the rear passenger seats. You can also see that we have this beautifully made center console that features a phone cutout, and right here, paired to that Supercharged LT4, is a 6-speed manual Tremec transmission. This car is absolutely wonderful because we have digital Dakota gauge clusters to illuminate the view at night and to showcase some of the modern tech that's going on under the hood. And we also have a vintage air unit, so you can feel cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But you're probably wondering, what does this Supercharged LT4 sound like? Well, how about we start it up and find out? Wow, that sounds absolutely fantastic. The LT4's engine is being spoken through a Flowmaster exhaust. Now, as you can see from the exterior, this is a pretty huge trunk, and it's just even larger inside. Take a look at that. But you might be able to notice behind this custom Malibu SS badge, this is a drop gate, revealing a fire extinguisher and our battery. So we have tons of room, but it's also very, very resourceful. So not only is this car sound good, look good, but absolutely drives perfect. So, how about we step back inside and let's go for a drive. And now we are sitting inside of this gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS. So let's put it in first gear and let's go for a drive. I will say, cruising in this car is a must, because while it is a huge car with huge horsepower, this thing is feeling easy to just casually drive on these wonderful roads. And even if the roads are a little bit bumpy, the Roadster Shop chassis is tuned to withstand all the cracks and bumps. Wow! You gotta be quick with your shifts when you're in this car, because oh boy, it's a fast one. But what's great about this car is not only the upshifting, but the downshifts, you don't even need to necessarily rev match. I can easily hop it in second and slow down for this upcoming turn. That is fantastic. And the SPARC steering wheel feels really connected with the roads. I can sense and feel everything of what's going on in the road. It's very directional, so if I point it to the right, it's gonna go right immediately. There's no loose play in the steering wheel. It's actually very calm. But once you're heading into those corners on this Roadster Shop chassis, that's when this car truly comes alive. And I feel so wrapped and close comfort with these Recaro leather seats that I feel almost at home sitting on my couch. But I'm not sitting at home on my couch. I'm in a supercharged Chevy Malibu. don't get much better than that. That was fantastic. So, thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. And if you like what you watch, make sure you subscribe. And if you really want to buy this exact 1965 Malibu or any of our No Reserve Classics inventory, make sure you go ahead and check us out in the link below. And we'll surely see you there.